This mom, Makita, sees her daughter Kana dragging home an old stroller. Some creepy lady told the kid there were kittens inside, but the thing smells like straight up garbage. Makita tries to ditch the stroller at a park, but a bunch of stray cats start acting possessed. It's actually a Necome, a cat demon that hunts humans. Makita ends up getting sliced and diced and wrapped in newspaper like a piece of raw fish. That's one stray you don't want to bring home.